Hey guys, welcome once again another episode of Cooking with Indian, but this one is a bit different. Today we actually not going to be cooking, but we're going to be eating. We're going to be doing a review today, and as you can see, I have two associates with me today. So I have Big Brother Kevin, aka director, cameraman, whatever you want to call him, you know, and to my right I have his girlfriend, the local ice cream specialist, so to speak, Alex. She has been the one most enthusiastic about doing this review video, more so for the ice cream than for the actual review, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get right into it one time. We have 4 flavors to do with you today. This brand is called Sorvete, local, black owned business as well, a good friend of mine. So we're gonna be as honest as possible with these reviews and let you all know. And yeah, we're just gonna roll with it. You all ready?
Ready.
Let's get into it. Our first flavor that we're gonna be tasting is Avocado Sobe. So let's check this out one time.
Oh, it's pretty.
As you can see, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, it has a it is a very genuine avocado color. But I mean, Sorvete said they don't put added colorings or anything like that. So you know, they try to stay with very pure, natural
stuff. It's
stuff.
not like a toxic green look.
Yeah,
it's like a natural green look. Go ahead.
I'm so nervous of this.
Yeah.
It does.
It smells like avocado.
Yeah, it has a really
a hint of it.
not even a hint. It's very strong of the avocado scent. If you know what avocado smells like. So let's go into it.
Cheers.
Okay. So the avocado flavor is very spot on. It's also very refreshing, I must say.
Yeah, it is in the true essence of a sobe. It's a sobe.
Yeah.
It's refreshing. It's so the cold hits you, the flavors hit you, and it is cold and a sobe, but it's buttery.
Yeah.
It feels smooth.
Yeah, it's super creamy. It's really
creamy.
Yeah.
Great consistency, texture of it.
Yeah.
And I could sit down and eat a whole pint of this in one go.
Yeah.
Because it's very light.
There's also like a nice citrus kind of lemon flavor, but not too strong.
Yeah.
It's not too acidic.
Yes.
Like some of the lemon and sorbet.
Nothing that would throw off the actual avocado flavor, but it does lend a little bit of
balance is really nice.
Yeah, nice little freshness to it.
A
Yeah.
little black pepper inside.
Yeah, no.
But no, this is good. If you love avocados, then this would be a dream come true.
Yep. So, cousin Maurice, I'm going to be getting you one of these very soon, and you'll give us your feedback as well, right? So, home run number 1, avocado sorbet. So we're going to go for the next flavor. Let's jump into it. All right. So, just taking a little sip of coffee to use as a palate cleanser in between takes for the different ice creams. Alex opted out because she becomes Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory upon any sip of coffee.
Bazinga.
So with that being said, we are going on to the next flavor, which is Turkish Dream. So there's pistachio in this one. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it's supposed to be an ice cream with bits of baklava in it. Yeah. I know that one would have catch you had you not known about it as yet. So I'll let you dip your spoon first.
I'm so excited. I love baklava. I love it.
Oh, that looks good. Jesus.
Oh, it looks so pretty. It looks like I'm about to
I didn't show you guys that.
Wow.
It's so pretty.
You know what it's looking like? This looking like
Decadence.
no, like nougat.
Yeah, it has a nougat finish to it.
Oh,
All right,
So you ready to go? Let's go.
Wow. Wow. Oh, good.
This is 6 runs. This is 6 runs for sure.
Wow.
This is really
This
good.
keeps going. Like there's so many things happening, but not in an overwhelming kind of way. Like,
Exactly.
Wow.
The combination on this is fantastic. Yes, caramel in it too?
No, it's honey.
That's honey.
So it is exactly like what a baklava is. If you know what a baklava is, it's like phyllo pastry with pistachios and like a simple syrup and that kind of stuff like that. Quintessentially it feels like that. As you said, it's like a nougat. Even the cream of the ice cream is reminiscent of a nougat. The flavor isn't overpowering, and you are able to taste each element. It feels like it all comes together one by one.
It does, and like
It's
different
lit.
things hit you at different times.
Yes.
It's layered. It's layered.
Yeah.
It's like you get this, you get that. The solid ingredients, the pistachios hit you, of course.
Yes.
Then the cream comes through. The flavors start to hit. The honey.
I mean,
Whoa.
this is me. I love nuts in my ice cream. I love nuts in my ice cream. So I would have preferred like a little bit more pistachio to give it more of a crunch, because I'm accustomed with my baklava. It's like very crispy, and then you
yes.
bite in, and there's nuts, and there's the filo pastry that's very
Crispy as well.
So you want some texture
I would have liked that
combination?
texture a little bit more. I would have also liked more hints of like rose water.
Okay.
I always look for that in my baklava.
Yeah.
But like this was it was, as you said, so layered. Like
Yeah.
there's so many things happening in it.
But
This is
the flavor is
interesting in the
really,
best
I really like that.
yeah. Especially for something that is so unusual. I don't know where the idea came from, but this one is definitely a winner.
That's so cool. That's really, really cool.
Right, so
I've never
6 runs for this one.
This is my favorite so far.
Yeah, mine. Well, yeah.
Well, there's
mine
only
too.
2 we had so far, so
Well, I mean, the avocado.
your favorite is 2.
But like, rather than this, I've never seen an ice cream
Someone do this,
ever.
yeah.
Like I've never seen like baklava ice cream anywhere.
Yeah, this is a great idea. So let's go for round number 3.
Yeah.
Next one. So we're going into flavor number 3, and right now we have cinnamon roll. So let's jump right into this bad boy. So there are large chunks of cinnamon roll in this one. It's a bit buttery on the top as well.
Yeah, immediately.
Let me get a piece of roll in my spoon.
They're a bit big.
Yeah, the pieces are a bit sizable.
You get any smell off of it?
Yeah,
It smells like a bakery.
yeah. It has a really, really, this is like a real pleasant smell. Like, you know, you just want to close your eyes and take a deep breath in.
Smells like somewhere in particular.
Yeah, like this place called, wouldn't call the name, but it sounds like Schmimmerman. Schmimmerman.
Buttery for sure.
Buttery. The cinnamon flavor is not overpowering. The dough is really, really nice.
But it's clear eating a cinnamon roll.
Yes,
Wrapped in ice cream.
exactly. It comes together really nicely. It's very true to its name. Very, very true to its name.
Yeah.
Finish yet?
It was really good. It was really, really good. I was a little nervous because I was thinking the cinnamon would come through too strong. It didn't. I actually got a big chunk of the dough.
The dough.
In it.
Yeah.
And that carries
yeah.
cinnamon flavor really nicely. Like
Yeah.
Really, really mild. Like
I wonder if she makes cinnamon rolls.
Had
and
to be.
break them up.
Had to be.
Put it in.
Because I mean, well, as she rightly said, she is a trained chef.
She's a chef. That's
You
true.
know,
She
so
probably did
she
that.
probably bakes big batches and
Yeah.
intersperses it. However, I feel like the for me personally, I feel like the size of the roll, the piece of the dough could be a bit smaller. So intersperse a little bit more in the ice cream so that you get a bite-sized amount per spoonful.
I don't know. In my mind, I'm thinking about scooping it up with an ice cream scoop. And I don't know. I find the large chunks not too bad. Plus the dough soft enough that a spoon could go through it.
Yeah, yeah. The consistency of the dough is really, really good, considering that it was in, you know, the ice cream frozen and whatnot. So
It's not soft. It's not hard or
It's
frozen.
not soggy. It's not anything like that.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Still
really
tasted very fresh.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one is definitely a winner as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thoughts? Favorite or not?
Turkish Dream stuff.
Turkish.
Yeah, nah,
Turkish
actually,
is
yeah.
something else.
Yeah,
But this
I think
is good. I like
yeah.
this.
Yeah.
No, I mean so far all 3 are excellent, but I think Turkish is in the lead right now. Yeah.
Yeah. This is your around the corner bakery home style bakery cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
Really rich and the cinnamon.
This gives you
Comfort.
this gives you a very nostalgic feel as well, I feel.
Yeah.
Like your grandmom's baking or something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
it. I
this
like
is
it.
really nice. All right, well, that's it for this one. We're gonna move on to our final flavor. Catch you back in a few. And now for our final flavor, we are having Give Me S'mores.
Give me or gimme?
Give me.
All right.
It's properly said. Give me s'mores.
I think it could be gimme.
Give me small.
Hey, it is give me because you're telling the person, hey, I want it. Give me s'mores. So I mean, I'm hoping that you're all familiar with s'mores. So
If you don't know what a s'more is,
yeah, you better go and watch Sandlot.
No, you want a s'more. I haven't had anything yet, so how can I have some more of nothing? Shut up! You're killing me, Smalls.
You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me.
Alex, you
So
know
it's-
what's Sandlot?
So it's basically graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallow,
Melted down into
sandwich.
gooey loveliness.
Marshmallow is toasted, so nice
That's really
combination.
pretty. It is.
Yes,
Really,
it's-
really pretty. Ooh.
Right. So let's get a little bit. Ooh,
As he's rolling it off, the graham crust is kind of just crumbling.
crumbling.
Wow, that's
This is-
that's visually appealing. I have to
Yes,
say.
it's sexy. It is sexy. Not
Doesn't
even
have much
gonna
of a
lie.
smell.
Wow.
I could smell the chocolate, but I don't feel like this is one of those flavors that the smell is, going to be that, pungent or whatever. But let's get into it. Okay, it's a pleasant ice cream, but I feel like the chocolate is so strong that I'm not getting the graham cracker so much out of it.
I got a big chunk of chocolate, so that took over the whole
Okay,
thing for me.
okay,
I had less chocolate, and it was just really sweet. Like,
fine. So I actually don't find it's that sweet.
I'll tell you why this is not my favorite. Because Ben and Jerry's has a ice cream
Fish food.
fish food and it has marshmallow in it.
Yeah.
And the marshmallow is actually this gooey consistency thing inside of the ice cream. So I was hoping that this had, of course it couldn't be a tub of gooey marshmallow, but that they would have had the gooiness in the marshmallow with it now.
Well, I actually just intentionally dipped my spoon back on the top because there was a little bit of the marshmallow in it. So I don't feel we didn't get the marshmallow in our first bite.
Right, maybe.
But the marshmallow bit that I just got there was really, really, really nice.
Okay, but then that needs to be a lot, especially at the top, because
and-
that first pull.
Exactly. And the thing about that marshmallow is that it wasn't gooey like Ben and Jerry's fish food gooey,
Yeah.
but it had that consistency of the marshmallow, of like a slightly melted marshmallow.
Right.
So it wasn't gooey as in like mush,
Yeah.
but you could have had the texture of the marshmallow that you
Okay.
could tell it was slightly melted,
Yeah.
I like that. I like that textural component.
Okay, so if you had to rank them, 1 to 4 favorites, best to last.
Favorite will definitely be Turkish Dream.
I think that's across the board.
Yeah, that's across the board. Especially because I really love baklava as a dessert. I'm actually not too sure about my second place because I'm torn between the avocado and the cinnamon roll. To be honest, the avocado as a sorbet is very creamy. It's almost to the point of being an ice cream.
Yeah.
But it tastes really good. It's very unique.
Yeah.
It is very true to the flavor of avocado, and as I said, it's so light and buttery that I could see myself sitting down and eating the entire tub. But the cinnamon roll also tends to feel kind of as I say, nostalgic and
Yours.
and then well of course the last one,
my number
s'mores.
2 was the avocado. Like there was no,
Yeah.
I don't have any.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't have any like
Same. Baklava first for me.
Yeah.
That Turkish Dream.
Yeah.
Avocado
There's
second.
no
hands
competition
down.
in my mind of which one places what. Like Turkish Dream places first, avocado, cinnamon, and then s'mores.
If it wasn't for that
point blank.
Turkish Dream, avocado would be in my top. For all the reasons. It's fresh, It's light, but it's buttery, and that's because of the nature of what avocado is.
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
So that just lends itself to everything now.
Yeah.
All the flavors are real excellent, and you know what's important here, boy? Is real good that you're getting flavors that you don't get from any other company.
Exactly.
So if you're
exactly.
tired having this and that and that, and all those other companies have great flavors too, but you want to switch, surprise your palate now.
Yeah.
This is excellent.
Well, as you mentioned that, I have to tell Sorvete you hit my 6 for 9 because we were actually supposed to get jelly donuts. That was the flavor that I was most excited about because I love jelly donuts. So, Sorvete, do not forget me the next time around. I would like to get that jelly donut. I might have to put in an order from now for next month or something because, but before we finish, ice cream is for the kids, really and truly.
Just like Wu-Tang is.
Yeah, Wu-Tang for the kids, ice cream for the kids, cashew, cream. Anyway, with that being said, we have our cameraman and lightsman here.
Yeah, boy, he likes us.
So Luke,
go and get a flavor.
come for me.
What flavor you want?
Come on, camera. Yeah, sure.
Sure. You don't like to eat things. Go, come in.
So this is my god brother Luke, and he is going to be tasting. Which one you want? You want the avocado? We have the cinnamon roll. Look, we have the s'mores here. Which one you want?
I'll take the avocado.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
You see the avocado? No.
All right. Tell me if it tastes good or if it don't taste good. You say what you feel,
This is our first here, guys. And this is.
He don't even eat avocado.
He doesn't eat avocado, and he's going for the experimentation. So go ahead.
Okay.
Let me see her.
Oh, big tongue there, boy. Lord.
You gotta give it some time.
Giving you some time, like swallow it, taste it, Tell me what you think.
Well, it's very sweet. It's very sweet, but I that's what you guys said. It was very creamy and buttery, and I actually did like it. I never tried avocado before, but this was good.
So that means you'll try eating actual avocado now?
Yeah, man.
Serious?
Like maybe.
What? All right.
Either this could be a breakthrough or this could be one of the greatest mama guys ever seen on camera. So either way I'll take it. It might be a win, you know what I mean? But that is the end of it for this episode of Cooking with Indian. Of course, this was the review edition for Sorvete ice cream. Thanks a lot to Sorvete for providing us with these flavors, and we look forward to a lot more great things from them. Look out for more reviews from myself. Look out for more reviews from these guys as well. And yeah, click subscribe, like, tell us what you think. Get at Sorvete on Instagram at SorveteTT. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah. So guys, later till the next one.